Case toys! Okay, it's time to cook. Let's slice up this boiled egg. There we go. I think this sausage is ready. Let's cut it up too. Whoops, we need a knife for that. Let's see. Okay. Oops. Let's try that again. There we go. Done. Nothing in the fridge. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, I know. I'll make fried egg. There we go. Oh, let's add a cucumber, a tomato, and pepperoni. Mix, mix, mix. Mix some more. Okay, we don't need the tomato, pepperoni, or the cucumber. I think I'm gonna bake this in the oven. Right, in you go. Okay, let's turn this oven on. Set the temperature and the timer. Okay, eggs done. I think the bacon needs washed. Okay, I'll make a sandwich. Cheese. And another slice of bread. There. Oh, wait. I think I'll just make a French toast. I need my spoons. Oh, before I forget, salt and pepper. There we go. All done. This is for you.
Subscribe for more videos, and if you like this one, give it a thumbs up and share.